Hi, today I'm going to show you a quick demo about an amazing tool, an extension, Upwork Analytics, that allows you to track all of your applications from initial quotation to final negotiation and also provide you gain insight to each group member's contribution. So let's get started. First of all, go to upworkanalytics.com and add the extension to your Chrome. After that, go to Upwork and apply for a job. As you can see, the extensions pop-up button is appearing here. Click on it and log in yourself first. Now as you can see, your job application details are extracted and showing into the extension. So now let's move and write a cover letter. Let us say that's my cover letter. Upwork Analytics provides you features like bold and italic to make your text more appealing and your cover letter more attractive. Before submitting the proposal, you can preview your proposal to see how the client will see your proposal by their perspective. When you're finished, save your job application to Upwork Analytics. Go to the dashboard where you can find all of your submitted job applications. Log in yourself first. So there you see all of your submitted job applications. You can preview them, you can see them, and that's easy. You can also add someone as a collaborator to apply on your behalf, and simply you can add them by providing their email, their role, their profile name, and their Upwork profile URL. After providing all of the details, add them as a collaborator. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, kindly join the Discord channel. We will be in touch. Thank you so much.